So there are this kind of people that just sleep too much, and don't get me wrong, that's fine, but you can't really tell if they are alive or just sleeping, and you know that's fine, but for fuck's sake, why can't you wake up with your alarm clock? How can you be still sleeping with this sound next to you? So today I will make an alarm clock, and this alarm clock is gonna be so efficient, it's gonna revive the dead. So ladies and gentlemen, here it is. This Arduino Nano is the brain. It activates this little buzzer that screams extremely loud like shit. Then it activates this micro servo, and this micro servo is connected to the Dixlapper 3000. This is advanced technology right here. Last but not least, we have this. This is a homemade water pump. It's designed to hold water in this container and throw it with force from this little tube. It also leaks everywhere, but who gives a shit? This is the only part that is not gonna be connected to the Arduino Nano. This one is the only component that is not gonna be connected to the Arduino Nano. This component is gonna be goblin powered. I will give this little switch to a goblin, and I will train the goblin to flick the switch when the thing is on. Long story short, it's easy to install. I mean, it's pretty good looking, and it has goddamn flying cables everywhere. The cable was too short and I had, but last but not least, it's effective. It's been almost 1 year from the day I broke up with the woman I loved. My kids don't love me anymore. My dog died. I lost my job and all my money are gone. The only thing I have is this house, this bed. This is the only place I can finally relax. This is my little paradise. Here I can find peace. Here I can find tranquility. Well, that was that. I ain't using that shit.